Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your salary negotiation prep using Hired and LinkedIn. Complete guide step by step clearly. To begin your salary negotiation prep, log into your Hired account. Familiarize yourself with the platform's features. Navigate to the resources section where you'll find tools and articles specifically for salary negotiation. Explore salary insights and industry benchmarks provided by Hired. Take notes on the average salaries for your desired role and location. Next, outline your unique qualifications and experiences. Be ready to articulate why you deserve a higher salary based on your skills and accomplishments. After preparing your case on Hired, switch to LinkedIn. Log into your LinkedIn account and update your profile if necessary. Ensure your skills and experiences are clearly highlighted. Research your industry through LinkedIn's Salary Insights tool. Look for job listings similar to the position you seek to better understand the market rate. Connect with professionals in your field. Consider reaching out for informational interviews to gather more insights on salary expectations. Draft a concise message to request these conversations. Once you have gathered all the information, practice your negotiation pitch. Utilize Hired's resources to refine and tailor your approach. Be prepared to discuss your findings from both platforms during your negotiation. Role-play the negotiation with a friend or mentor to enhance your confidence. Finally, approach your salary negotiation with clarity and confidence, using the preparation from both Hired and LinkedIn to support your case. Remain professional and open to dialogue throughout the negotiation process. Remember, effective communication is key to a successful outcome. You are now set to transfer your salary negotiation prep into action. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.